Rubber injection molding. Applications, uses and types. This video will take an in-depth look at rubber injection molding. You will learn principle of rubber injection molding, types of rubber and types of processes in rubber injection molding, applications, uses and advantages of rubber injection molding, and much more. Chapter 1. Understanding the fundamentals of rubber injection molding. Understanding rubber injection molding. Process of creating rubber molds. Injection molding overview. Frequently asked questions. What are the main advantages of rubber injection molding? Which rubber materials are commonly used in injection molding? What industries benefit most from rubber injection molding? How does custom rubber injection molding add value to manufacturers? What are typical products made by rubber injection molding? How is dimensional accuracy maintained in rubber injection molding? Chapter 2. What are the types of rubber used in rubber injection molding, and what are the processes involved in rubber injection molding? Types of rubber used in rubber injection molding. Natural rubber. Nitrile or bunion. Hydrogenated nitrile butadiene. Ethylene propylene diene monomer. Silicone. Fluorosilicone. Neoprene. Styrene butadiene. Fluorocarbon. butyl or isobutylene isoprene. Urethane. Thermoplastic elastomers. Thermoplastic vulcanizate. User considerations when selecting a rubber material. Types of rubber injection molding processes. Organic rubber injection. Liquid injection molding or LSR injection. Thermoplastic rubber injection. Custom rubber injection molding. Advantages of rubber injection molding. Chapter 3. What are the applications and uses of rubber injection molding, and what are its advantages? Applications and uses for rubber injection molding. Rubber injection molding is utilized in a variety of applications and uses, including rubber bumpers, rubber bushings, rubber diaphragms, rubber grommets, rubber isolators, rubber mounts, rubber plugs, rubber seals, rubber pads, Rubber suction cups. Rubber washers. Rubber O-rings. Advantages of rubber injection molding. This process offers numerous benefits, some of which are outlined below. Industries served by rubber molding. Rubber has a broad range of applications across various industries. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right rubber injection molding manufacturer for your needs.